Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to remix a song in Suno AI. So first, this update just dropped as of now in July 2025. So here you will find this introducing remixing in the Suno AI webpage. So if this is the first time that you're opening Suno AI after the update, you should have this pop-up. So you can either click on yes, I'm in, or for this tutorial only, I will just click on not now, just to show you how to do it if you don't have this pop-up thing. Okay, so I will click not now, and here when I go to library I will have all the songs that I made. So here let's just go to this one and click on the three dots here, and then go to remix/edit, and here you will find a lot of options like open an editor, cover, extend, etc. Some of them require the pro version, so open an editor, crop, replace section, but we can also do some editing like cover, extend, etc. So let's just go to cover, and here basically what it does is that you can change the lyrics, the styles, the persona, the advanced options, etc. So you have a lot of options here, and this remix feature basically allows you to change the song that you are making and not make a new song, so you will not lose all your progress. So yeah, that's it basically. You can change whatever you want here, so either the extension or reusing the speed, the lyrics, etc., audio, persona. So yeah, there are a lot of options that you can choose from. And yeah, that's it, guys. Once you are done with the changes, just click on remix and it will redo your song. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.